Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jess and today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw this cute octopus. So to start off with, you're going to be drawing a circle shape, but only do like the top of the circle, and you want to leave the bottom half open. So now we're drawing the tentacles. They're quite tricky to draw, so I'm starting with the middle one, and you just draw this kind of draw like a curved line, whatever curve you want, and then like curve at the bottom and bring it back, and then I'm going to do a second one next to it. Now on the third one I'm going to start it halfway through the second one like that, so it kind of looks like it's behind, and then for the last one I'm going to do it behind that one. I'm aware my explanations don't really make sense, but yeah, it just helps it look more 3D because the tentacles seem to be going back. Also, I know that there are only 7 tentacles, it's just I imagined one was behind. I'm now drawing 2 big circles on the face, which are the eyes. And I'm making my octopus have really big eyelashes. I'm drawing 2 little eyebrows and a smile. I'm then drawing a few oval shapes that follow the curve of the head. I'm also adding these same oval shapes to the bottom side of the tentacles. And I'm also adding 2 ovals for the cheeks. And then adding some bubbles just to show that it's underwater, so I'm just doing different sizes of circles like all around. Now that the drawing's done, I've got myself my black fine liner, and I'm starting by outlining the eye. So I've drawn over all the pencil lines that we already drew, and I'm then getting a black Sharpie to colour it in, making sure I leave the 2 circles that we drew inside of it white. And I'm then using my fine liner to outline the eyelashes and colour it in. So pause this video now and go and black line over all the pencil lines that we've drawn. And then using a rubber, rub out any of the pencil lines that are still left underneath. So I'm making my octopus pink, so I've got this light kind of baby pink colour, and I'm going to colour the main body of the octopus. So I'm leaving any of like the oval shapes that we've drawn, I'm leaving them white because we're going to be using another colour to colour them. I then got this kind of purpley pinkish Sharpie, and I'm using that colour to colour in all of the oval shapes, but not the cheeks, and I'm using this kind of darker pink to colour in the cheeks. I got my light blue Sharpie and I'm colouring in the bubbles. Now it's time for shading, so I've got myself my dark pink fine liner and I'm shading down the left side of the octopus. I'm also shading on the tentacles, so I'm always doing it on the left side. So it will look different on each of the tentacles, just follow what I'm doing. I then got my dark blue and I'm shading in the bubbles. I then got a dark purple and started shading in the oval shapes that I drew on the octopus's head. And I know it's a lot of effort to have to shade every single one, but it looks really great, so it's worth it. I finally got a white pen and started adding highlights. So I did this on the right side because it's the opposite side to where we shaded, and that's where, like, well, there's no sun under the sea, but you know, that's where the light would shine. And there you have it, the finished octopus. She looks great and I just love her eyelashes. So yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!